Does your Can-Am Spyder fog light switch feel mushy or not click like this? Our fog lights stopped working because our rocker switch failed on our 2018 Can-Am Spyder RT Limited.
Today we're going to show you step by step how to replace your rocker switch and save you a trip to the dealership. By the end of this video, your switch should click normally again and your fog light should be working.
Here's the generic rocker switch that we purchased from Clinton County Motorsports for $13.99. The only tool we're going to use today is a T30 Torx from our BRP repair kit. We'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this. Step 1 is to remove the mirror by pushing down and pulling up and twisting. Then you also want to remove the electrical connection. Step 2, we're going to remove these two screws and these two screws using the T30 Torx. Make sure that you keep track of all your hardware so that the reinstallation process is easier. We'll speed through repetitive removals here. Step 3 is to open your frunk and pull back on this plastic housing. Step 4 is to raise the seat. Step 5 is to start removing these two panels. You won't need any tools for this. Just gently twist and pull. And just be careful of this little tab. Unscrew here using a Torx 30. As well as here using a Torx 30. It may look like these need a Torx to be removed, but you actually just pull the whole part out. Then just gently remove these two push pins. Step 6 is to repeat all the steps from this side on the opposite side, which we won't bore you with. Once you do that, then we'll get into the removal and installation of the rocker switch.
We're back with a quick edit. As we got further in the process, we realized there is a plastic rivet holding down this plastic covering here. We tried everything to access it, and you can't remove that without removing these two bolts here using a 10mm socket. We also have these two plastic rivets where you're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove this one and the other rivet up here. We're going to go ahead and remove those on this side, do the same for on the other side, and then we'll be back to show you how you can remove the glove box. Here's our old faulty rocker switch. If your rocker switch no longer clicks, feels mushy or has a lag, or if your fog light stopped working, you probably need to replace your rocker switch. Once you have the panels removed, the two bolts and tabs on each side, you can gently pull back on your glove box. Be careful, there are wires underneath. Now you have access to your rocker switch tab and electrical underneath. I'm going to use my thumb to push in on this tab closest to your glove box, gently pull and remove the electrical unit. And now you're going to have access to remove your old rocker switch. Underneath the rocker switch are two plastic tabs. You're going to gently squeeze those in. They're on either end here, and you should be able to release it and pull up on your old rocker switch to remove it. And now we get to install the new rocker switch. Same orientation as before. We're going to go ahead and push it in from top. Push in until you feel it snap down in place. And then we're going to go ahead and hook everything up from underneath. Now that the rocker switch is pushed in from the top, we're going to go ahead and push this plastic tab in. Go ahead and hook everything up again from underneath.
Now that the rocker switch is in place and connected, before putting any panels back together, now is a good time to not only check the rocker switch, making sure that it's snappy like it should be, but also check the fog lights to make sure that they work. One pro tip is that the Can-Am motorcycle has to be running in order to test the fog light accessory. So we will turn on our motorcycle and test the switch and fog lights.
rocker switch replaced, the fog lights work. We're going to go ahead and reassemble everything, so make sure you stick around till the end. If you found this video helpful or informative in any way, make sure you like and comment below. Also, let us know what videos you would like to see in the future.
And also, don't forget to hit subscribe for more Can-Am DIY troubleshooting and maintenance videos.
If your Can-Am Spyder won't start or you're having problems with your battery, make sure you check out our battery replacement video here. It's already helped tens of thousands of other Can-Am Spyder riders.
Happy and safe riding.
3 down.